objective use a series of separation methods commonly used in a chemistry laboratory to acquire the skill in handle basis instrument and or material. Also know the physical and chemical basis of these separation methods.
For this process to work, it is necessary to verify that the filtered paper covers all the holes of the Wagner funnel, moisten the paper and empty the mixture of soda and activated carbon. This filtration happens because of the pressure caused by the syringe. Place a small amount of big paperweight in a porcelain capsule, covered with a watch glass that contains ice on it, and heat it. After a while, you will see the separation of the substance under the watch glass. Place on the distillation flask the alcohol. Verify that all the materials are properly connected, and ignite the heater. Check the temperature continuously. Don't forget that the water must flow in the refrigerator. After a while, the alcohol will be separated.
Practice 4 of the laboratory was useful due to the importance of know the techniques of separation like filtration, sublimation, or centrifugation. We saw the state change of the material, and I will use it to complement the topic that we have seen along the semester. Also, we learned to distillate the alcohol using the laboratory equipment.
We learned about some basic techniques at the lab, and this time we saw separation methods. We saw their advantages, disadvantages, which one to use in determined case, and we also learned how to set up the equipment in order to execute the process.
We use basic laboratory techniques to separate substances. We use vacuum filtration or simple distillation for liquids and sublimation for solids. These techniques are fast and easy to use in the laboratory.
We have to divide the methods of separation. And the first one is that the method of the particle solid, and it's between the separation of the filtration and centrifugation. The second one is that when you have homogeneous mixtures, and we call the simple distillation. The third one is the heterogenic mixtures, that we have the decantation method.
Objective: separate by crystallization method the components of different mixtures and compare the physical characteristics of different crystals.
Mix potassium nitrite and silica in a glass with hot water. Filter without cooling and crystallize the solution by evaporating water partially. Analyze the crystal form of potassium nitrate. Place a piece of copper wire on the cover slip and add 3 drops of silver nitrate. Place iron filings on another cover slip and add 3 drops of copper sulfate. Finally, place zinc on another cover slip and add 3 drops of lead nitrate. Let them react for a few seconds and observe the crystal form under a microscope.
We did the practice number 5 in the laboratory, which consists in do crystals with components like KNO3 or CuSO4 too. We did this with the laboratory equipment. After that, we add zinc or another material, and finally we saw in the microscope.
We learned how some substances react in contact with others, and that some of them can produce crystals. If you observe that crystals under the microscope, you will see the awesome appearance they have.
My conclusion is that we have to know all the stuff that we are going to do in lab class, and at the same time we can describe all the things that we can see after the experiment, like the crystals that we do.
The objective of the laboratory practices have been reached because We learn the techniques of separation, also the use of the laboratory equipment, and we will use it over the semester